Wow. Okay.
Okay.
What are we doing here? That was so fast.
It's just the cleaning.
All right.
process? Okay.
So we got. We're ruining a bike. Why? What's the point? He's like, I hate bikes.
Yeah.
People, I never learned how to learn how to ride one. I'm so mad. I need to destroy all of the bikes.
Yeah. I have an angle grinder and I can't do it.
Wow, that's pretty aggressive. Okay.
Actually.
So I guess maybe he's upgrading the bike. Like he's gonna make an even better bike with the
I
parts.
hope so.
Yeah, because it
And
seemed like a
that's-
nice bike before.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a little bit of a shame, buddy.
But will
Ooh.
he able to make it better?
Maybe he looks like
Also
maybe he
now.
doesn't hate bikes. Maybe he loves bikes and he wants to make them as good as they possibly can be, fulfill their potential.
Exactly.
I wish someone would take as much interest in me as he does in his bikes.
Before you can make something beautiful, you need to destroy it.
Exactly. Don't. I mean, yeah, sure, fine. You can destroy me if you make me better. This is deep. Anyway, so we have. It looks like an IKEA drill.
Yep.
Ooh,
Hydrophobic system.
hydrophobic system. All right.
That's how it goes, right?
Yeah.
The whole keto.
It just works with pressure and liquid, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. It also could work with the air, but less effective because
Okay.
the air could be, how to say, absorb more, but there is no. Okay, that's perfect.
Okay. Interesting.
I'm not too smart.
Okay. It sounded pretty smart while you were saying it. I was completely lost. So, guys, let us know. Are we smart? Probably not. Okay. But that's kind of annoying. You have to press it all the time. Oh, okay. If it's there, it's okay.
So I think you just adjust it and drive.
Yeah. And
But
plywood. Okay, that looks maybe uncomfortable. Okay. More comfortable.
Okay. A bit, but still questionable.
A little questionable. So I guess it's so your butt can breathe.
Guess so, or it's for the shape,
Yeah.
to put the bottom through this.
Oh, yeah,
holes.
maybe.
Oh, how this old sofa
The sofas.
created.
Yeah, true.
These buttons, which I don't know what's the practical thing. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're
here we go.
buttons.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess it's just to make sure that there isn't a distance between the fabric and the wood.
Maybe.
But it looks kind of wrinkly. Dampens. Okay, I believe you. I like when they put words above their videos. Like it's how you're supposed to listen to it.
Yeah.
Dampens. Okay, sure.
Some people need explanation.
I guess so,
right? But to paint them, it's
Kind of. It looks kind of cool now. With orange and black is a cool color combination.
where's the brake system?
Brake system. What are you?
No, seriously.
A loser? Who needs brakes when you have gas?
It's actually dangerous to drive.
It looks
like
very
that.
dangerous, but I like it. I like the danger.
Well, okay. So
Let's see it
go,
work.
man.
Let's see it work.
Oh mate. Oh mate.
Oh my gosh! I didn't realize that's how the wheels worked. That's so scary. Okay, it is dangerous. I changed my mind. 10 out of 10 danger. Okay.
Okay. We don't need it.
Nope, don't need it. Pop tubes.
Pop
Just pop
tubes,
those
yeah.
tubes on there. All right.
Uh,
That is the worst looking bike ever. Nice, bro. I mean, creativity wise,
yeah.
pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretty good. As I remember, it was a
there
trend
it
at
is.
some moment.
Okay, we got the degreaser. We're gonna degrease these babies.
Yeah. Okay.
Grease is the worst thing ever, I realized. Like, I feel
Yeah.
bad for mechanics because I've never had to handle grease before not long ago. And I
Yep.
touched it and it was on my hand for like 2 weeks. No matter how hard I washed, no matter, it was just on my hand.
Serious?
Yeah, it was
But
pretty
it shouldn't
gross.
like. But there is special soap to get rid of all this
Oh, okay.
oil, this thing, and
True.
to glue. And
Okay.
is it really?
I don't know if that's gonna be like stable the whole time though. Like if it's gonna be durable enough.
I think after the first dry.
Rusty chain. Hey, don't call me a rusty chain. It's not cool. Yeah, I mean it's true that you can get rust off with Coca-Cola,
What?
which is it makes you question why you put that in your body. But
Yeah. To clean up your body.
yeah, exactly. I got some rust in there.
Yeah. You restart.
Ooh, liquid foam. Or soap. Ah, to clean the inside of the thing or take it off.
And take it off, I guess.
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
nice.
Lubricate it for the side, right?
Yep. We're gonna use more of those.
Okey-dokey.
Ah, we have cool handles now. Nice.
I guess
Yeah.
that's fine.
So we
Oh,
got two toothbrushes here. We saw this earlier. It
Yeah.
looks like they're showing us the actual process. That's cool.
That's yeah.
I like that
practical.
machine. It's a cool machine.
But still, you need to add some oil on it.
Yes, yeah. So
Yeah.
maybe get some WD-40 and spray it along as you go. We're making a jeans fabric seat.
seat,
Okay,
yeah.
that's weird.
You know, I always was scary for such a seat on the bike.
Yeah,
You
I know they look
so
very.
yeah.
Yeah, they look intimidating for sure.
But as soon it's for comfortable driving.
I don't know,
Nothing,
man. I
yeah,
whenever I
for-
drive it, I'm like, oh, my butt cheeks are completely spread. This is not comfortable.
It's actually yeah. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
get rid of
The old paint job so that they could put on a new clean sheet. Nice red, okay. Hot rod red. I don't know if I like
Okay.
red. Like,
Red, it's mean sport, right?
yeah.
The,
Sport
the
bike.
fast.
Red, yeah, red. Everyone knows red makes
Yeah.
you go faster.
Exactly. So it's kind of vintage one, right?
It does look kind of vintage. I like
Yeah.
it.
Without speed changing, but still.
I feel like they changed the handle though.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Right. Oh, okay.
Okay. Ugh.
Drain your bike.
It's me after Mexican food. All right, so we're taking off the tire, putting it. Oh,
That's
okay.
Tuesday, right?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I guess so. I guess the pressure of the Twix.
I mean, it could work for a couple of hours.
couple of hours. Yeah, if you need a bike for a couple of hours, watch 5 Minute Crafts.
I mean, if you broke somewhere and you
Ah,
need to
that's-
reach that place, yeah,
Pretty cool. If you don't have anything else,
yeah. But you have a glue gun and a syringe, and
you want to mess up your wheels, do that.
with acid this,
Yeah,
and it works.
that's good.
Yeah.
Felt protector.
Oh. Yep.
Okay. So now it doesn't scratch your stuff, I guess.
Mm,
Pretty good.
you know, you just
Watching these videos, I just get so mesmerized. Wow.
That's true.
Where did they get all these bikes? So many questions. Where do they get all these bikes? Where do they get the idea to do this to these bikes? Who lets them ruin their bikes?
So they protected this, but it looks not pretty for me.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, wrap this around.
What? Okay.
Okay, so it
It's in
doesn't.
the space.
Exactly, yeah, so it's not loose anymore.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Obviously.
Silver Sharpie lid. Ruin your Sharpie lid.
Uh-huh.
I guess if your Sharpie runs out and you don't want that nut anymore.
Yeah. But it wasn't tied very well,
No,
so you
yeah.
can screw it with your fingers, right?
Exactly.
So, what is it the straw for what?
I didn't even get that one.
Uh, excuse what? Any guess what?
Oh! Okay.
Wow!
Yeah, that's
that
cool.
was cool.
That's the coolest one I've seen. Okay.
Nice.
That, why does it look like it reminds me of Alien versus Predator? What is that?
I don't
when they open
Yeah.
their mouth and their teeth are all like slimy. Ew.
It was inspired by it.
Yes, exactly. By 5 Minute Crafts. Okay.
Oh, it's like a screwdriver
Alright.
for which you can. Wow. Okay.
That's
Starting
cool,
your
yeah.
bike.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Not bad at all.
This also works in car things.
Not.
Watch our
worth
car hack
smelling.
videos. Yeah, it's not great.
I'm just confused. What is going on?
I don't know. They're drilling in a piece of metal, I believe. They just screwed something to another piece of metal, I believe.
Yeah. Then to another piece of.
What? Ah, so if it gets messed up, then it locks it back in place, I'm guessing.
Ah, okay. So,
But I feel like
it
it-
can hurt you.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. I'm thinking when you're actually, pedaling your bike, it could nick you or something. Like it could cut you.
Oh, so to tie your chain,
I don't know how I feel about these ones, to be honest. I don't know how useful they're going to be.
I think it's
Chain tensioner.
okay.
Okay, shouldn't my chain be tense already?
I don't know.
Okay, pretty cool. Wrapping up this bike. Why? It looks really nice already.
Yeah, now it's much.
He's like, I want to show you my crocheting skills.
Oh, it's the practical side of it. You know?
Okay.
You can manage your stuff.
But then when you ride it, it's going to be like in the wind.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, apply the weight. Okay. Oh, it's a holder for your flashlight, I guess.
Very nice. I like it. Cool.
Well,
What do we got here? We're breaking some more bikeage. What?
so they just want to tell us that it's impossible to unscrew. You just need to.
Yeah, you have
weld
to
it.
actually, you have to have welding equipment to fix your bike, yeah. Alright.
Easy, I guess. No.
Easy if you have a
weld.
tool, yeah. And you know how to weld. Alright, so we got chain links, linking them up. What are we doing here?
Another
Linkity-linkity.
tool, I guess.
What?
Oh, to unscrew your star.
Okay. The star. Nice.
The star.
Yep. That's a nice little practical way.
Yeah. And
Oh no!
oh,
I can't steal a bike anymore. Grr, I'm so angry. I guess I'll just leave it there.
Yeah.
That never happened.
Okay.
Give us more!
More reactions.
Right now!
Please.
Please.